Okay, miss. Now we have the evaluation of next week. We will start from math. So here we start from the first question. Here we have the homework now. First question.
Number one, what is an angle? This is the space between two joint lines. If the sun rises in east, which direction should you face to sunrise? The answer B is the ball is under the table. Where is the ball? It's under the table. It's okay. Which of the angles are worse than the right angles? The answer is this.
Yeah.
Okay, which of these angles are made by two right angles? The answer is this and this.
Okay.
Excellent. Okay. Okay, Rose Garden is to the north of Rosetta, but to the south of Garden.
Yeah.
Fill the blanks. Blanks to the north of Lily View. The Lily View is here. North is okay. So it is fitness centers. Then back to east of Lily View. This is fishing museum.
Yeah. That's what you say. Okay. This one.
Okay, this is Cass is in the middle of the field and the place down in different directions from where she is. So from the north, okay, see the building is the airport. From the east, the building is the restaurant. From the south, the building is theme park, and from the west is shopping mall.
Okay. Now we move to science. First question.
What are the suitable conditions that are needed by the plants to be healthy? The answer is B, light, water, and dry temperatures. Number two is a florist place plant A, and then in a cool room, and plant B in a warm room. After 10 days, plant B was taller than plant A. Okay, based on the forest observation, what can we conclude? We can conclude that is plant grow better in the warmer environments. Answer is B. What is the purpose of the greenhouse? The answer is C. To maintain suitable conditions for the plants to grow well. What are the walls and roofs of a greenhouse usually made of? Answer is B. Glass. Means how hot and cool something is. This is temperatures. Is the act of planting and spreading seed. This is seeding. Means doing something correctly and exactly. This is accurately. When a plant doesn't get water, it will seed.
Will. Yeah.
What is a greenhouse? A greenhouse is a building where the walls, the roof are made of the glass. And then, if you place two pots with plants in different places, the first pot is placed with enough light, and the second pot is placed with no light. Could you predict what will happen to the both of the plants? Okay, for the first plant, when the plants get enough light, it means that the plant can grow well. Okay, so for example, and then the leaves of the plants feels greens, and then the plants also will be higher. But for the second plants, when we place it in with less light or without light, so we know that the light is one of the component that is needed by the plants to make the fruit. So if there is no light, so the plants will not grow well. So the leaves of the plant will turn to yellow, and then the plants will not go higher or grow higher. And then number three, what the plants need to stay healthy. So there are many things that is needed by the plants to stay healthy. The first is like water, and then they need the water, the sunlight, and then they need the right temperatures. Then how does water affect the plant growth? Okay, water is give the effect for the plant growth, because water is will be transferred to the part of the plants when they want to make the food. So if the plants get less water or not enough water, the plant will not grow well, and they will wither, and then they will lose like they will bend, and the color of their flower, and when got flower, and then the leaves will change to dark. I mean, yes, the leaves become yellow or brown, and then the water, the flower will not looks so colorful.
Okay. Next, we move to mathematical. Okay, first question is.
Oke, ada 3 pohon durian, tiap pohon berbuah 4. Berapa jumlah durian dari 3 pohon? 12. C. Pak Ferry membeli 50 coklat, itu memberikannya kepada 10 anak secara merata. Berapa coklat yang diterima anak? Jawabannya adalah B. 5. Pak Armin ada tamu niaga di toko kue yang menyusun 8 Pak Donat. Jika tiap Pak berisi 6 donat, berapa donat yang disusun Kak Armin? Jawabannya adalah C. 8. Ibu membeli 10% dan terdiri dari 64% jeruk dan sisanya permen kacang. Ada 4 anak yang akan mendapatkan secara merata. Berapa permen, jeruk, dan permen kacang diterima setiap anak? Jawabannya C. Jawabannya B. Lalu nomor 4 sama nomor 5 bentuk pembagian dari nomor.
Jawabannya tadi sih.
Jawabannya 10.
Nomor
64 permen, jeruk, dan sisanya kacang. Jadi ada 4 anak yang mendapatkan 4 permen. Berapa banyak permen? Terus berapa banyak permen jeruk? Permen jeruk. Berarti 100. Berarti 4 permen jeruk. Dan sisanya permen kacang. 36. Anak-anak 36. Terus this one. The answer is this one. Forget number 2.
We have the marker.
Yes. Jadi 100 permen. Lalu terdiri dari 64 permen jeruk, sisanya adalah this jeruk, this kacang. Berarti 36. Dan ada 4 anak yang mendapat permen secara 4 anak merata. Berapa banyak permen jeruk? Berarti ini bagi 4. Oke, berarti ini 64 bagi 4. Oke, jawabannya adalah 4. Jawabannya B.
Iya, nomor 1.
Jawabannya B. Lalu nomor 5, bentuk pembagian dari pengurangan berikut adalah 20 dibagi 4 sama dengan 5. Nomor 6, 45 dikurang 9 dikurang 9 dikurang 9 dikurang 9 dikurang 9. 45 dibagi 5. Sorry, 45 dibagi 9.
45 bagi 9 sama dengan 40 bagi 9. Jawabannya 9.
Iya, 9. Oke, melengkapi.
Oke, nomor 1.
Oke, jadi ini kita akan melakukan pembagian dengan cara pengurangan berulang. Jadi 8 dikurang 4, hasilnya nanti 4. Setelah itu 4 ditulis lagi. 4 dikurang 4. Jadi hasilnya 0 sampai dapatnya 0. Berarti kita hitung berapa kali kita kurangkan 4. 1, 2. Berarti intinya 8 dibagi 4 sampai dengan 2. Seperti itu. Jadi pengurangan secara berulang. 15 dikurang 5 sama dengan, ini jawabannya adalah 10. Setelah itu 10 tulis lagi, dikurang 5 lagi, hasilnya 5. Setelah itu tulis lagi 5, dikurang 5 lagi. 5 dikurang 5 hasilnya 0. Berapa kali kita kurangkan 5? 1, 2, 3. Berarti 15 dibagi 5 sama dengan 0.
Oke, terima kasih. Okay, guys, I think it's clear for the homework. Now we move to book. Here I have opened the science book. So we just move to this new subbook. Actually, this is about the human organs and we have the thinking cap here. Do I breathe differently when I'm sleeping? So how to explain this? How to distinguish?
Okay. So if the question comes like this, how do I breathe differently when I'm sleeping? Yes, automatically we breathe differently when we sleep. When we sleep, we don't do any activity. So it means that we breathe more slowly than when we do activity. But when we do the activity, for example, like the physical activity like running and swimming, we will breathe faster than when we sleep. That's interesting.
Yeah, so actually this the difference they talk about here is it's about rate actually, right? The breathing rate. When we are sleeping, the breathing rate is slow, and when we
Yes.
are doing the activities of kind of running, the breathing rate is become faster.
Faster.
Okay, so yeah, because in the apps, in the above page is about
How
exercise, right? There is
This
exercise.
is like practicing about the way how the plants growing with many different stuff.
Now we just move to math only. So for the math next week will be taken from page 97 until 105. Yeah, 97. Okay, the topic is about angle, direction, and position. The square position and direction. Okay, maybe we just go to the equation here. We have a equation here. This is about direction and position actually.
Okay, easy describe the route cities to reach the park. Do you think it is correct and why do you say so? Okay, this is the map of Easy, where Easy wants to go to the park. We start from starting point. The starting point is from the down here, and then that's on the explanation by Easy. The first, he has to move to sort the square. So it is from this is north and this is south. Okay, this is the move to square. So we have to move below. So from here we move to square. 1, 2 here, and then move east to the 3 square. Move east, so we have to go to the right one, and then we have to 1, 2, 3. And after that, we move to south 1 square. South is we have to go. We have to stay here, move 1 square. It means that this is not correct.
So he wants to go to the park actually, right?
Yes, also go to the park. So from the explanations by stating by Easy, this is not correct. The question is, do you think this is correct, and why do you think
So this is the road.
Yes,
the,
this is
the
the
red
road.
line.
Yes, the road to go to the park.
Yeah, but which one is the mistake?
Is the mistake.
Move south.
Yes, this one we have to here, right? It does this static. She didn't move to the specialties, to the south. So that's part. Yes, she moved it, but only 1 square. Just look at this. Move to square, right? 1, 2, and then move east 3 square. 1, 2, 3. Move south 1 square. Just 1 square. And then, for example, here, and then move west 4 square. Move west 4 west. 1, 2, 3, 4. To
No,
here.
no, here in the number 3, move
Yes,
to
before,
south
yes,
1
number 2
square.
I'm here now. Number 2 I'm here.
You are in what number 2 now, right? Move to the east 3 square.
Yes, I'm here now. And then I have to move 1 square. And then
To the south.
to the south.
So it means he goes down, right? To the south.
Goes here.
Yes.
That's on the book, the explanation of the book. When we move 1 square. Okay, this is 1 square, and then move 4 square, 4 west. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here 4. Again, and then move south 2 square, and then 1. Okay, 2 square, 1, 2. Here. But we have to move.
So the mistake part is,
Move once.
yeah, in here actually, in the number.
1, 2, 3, 4 here. It must be 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And
So
here is move first comma in here, and after that we go to the salt, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 square.
oh, for number 5, right?
So after this was right here, the first is here, and then move to square 1, move salt to square, right? 1, 2,
So
1, 2. Okay, here. I mean, if it's not correct.
yeah.
So I change the position of last 5 square, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
and then move salt for 2 square, sorry 1 square, 1, and then move to the east 3 square, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, this is the syntax. But we have to follow this red number.
Okay. If I follow the buttons,
It will end here.
I must be here. So this is all the part. Okay, one more time.
Yeah.
Can I try one more time? Okay, the first move salt to square 1, 2. And after that move is 2 square 1, 2, 3. And then move salt 1 square here. And then move 4 square become 5 square.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then move salt for 2 square 1, 2. So it means that this is number 4 square.
Yeah. Okay. Finish. I think we can just go to the vocabulary. Okay, so now we have the vocabularies here. I will start to ask from math. Half turn.
Half turn is turns halfway around completely. Half turn is like when half turn is when you use the book to make it in halfway. It is like half turn. We can yes, that is.
Quarter turn.
Quarter turn is the turns to 90 turn something to 90 degrees. So it seems like right angles where it shows 90 degrees, and this is also can be practiced by when we bend our legs, actually our hands and our elbow.
Angle.
Angle is the space between two joint lines. So angles happens when we join two lines and we can find the angles. So the angles can be in 90 degrees or 180 degrees.
Direction.
Direction is the way something is facing or moving. So the direction is just like south, north, and then west, east. Okay, this is when you use when you want to look at the place, find a place where you see the map. So you can use the line from the direction of the compass. We use the north, east, west, and
Yeah. Okay. Next, science. Temperature.
Temperature is how cool or hot something is. This is the way to measures how something is, how cool is something or how hot is something. So you can feel it when you, so for example, if you want to feel the temperatures, you can, so for example, if you feel that you feel cool, so you feel cool or you feel hot, by you can use the temperatures to know whether you are feeling cool or feeling hot.
Maintain.
Maintain is something in conditions. So maintain is like when you wanna maintain your plants. So it means that you have to keep it in a good condition. So the things that you need to maintain your plants, so you can water it and then give more give sunlight, or maybe you can give the plants temperatures the right temperatures for it.
Okay, wind.
Wind is when it is bent down, or it is the plant when it is not in a good health or in a good condition or still healthy. When the plant is less of light or waters, they will bend and it looks the like the plant is unhealthy.
Okay, I think that is all for our information today. Thank you.
No thanks.